Okay, so you have an awesome product or a brilliant idea, but now you want to present it to the world and watch your sales skyrocket. But how do you do that? Creating a website or presentation with just text and pictures isn't going to help you at all because no one has the time to sit and read, and everyone loves to watch videos now. And that's where we come in. We create amazing explainer videos, just like this one, that allow you to capture your customer's attention in a way that's quick, powerful, and creates real conversions. But how effective are these videos? 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual. Visuals are processed 60,000 times faster in the brain than text, and website visitors spend more time on pages with videos on them. Videos help improve SEO of your company and make your company look fresh, fun, engaging, and they're easier to share on social media. Best of all, no matter if your company is a small startup or a big corporate, explainer videos are a great tool for reaching the masses and getting your company's product or services explained in just minutes or even seconds. Easily insert your amazing new video on your website or post it on YouTube and other social media sites, or just email it. The choice is yours. Our team will produce videos that rock and are affordable at the same time. Let us be your secret weapon for making the best videos on the web. Contact us to know more and get started today.